Yes, children, let's start with today's topic, that is subtraction. So, children, subtraction you have done in class 1 and 2 also, and here in class 3 we will again do subtraction. Okay, so subtraction means taking away. Okay, or we can say it's opposite of addition, because in addition we add something. Okay, but in subtraction we take away. So, children, subtraction means taking away one number from another number. Okay, and subtraction is the opposite of addition. You can see here. Okay, this is the sign of subtraction. Okay, you can see this is the sign of subtraction. So, children, today we'll do subtraction by using column method. So, while starting column method, first of all you have to make a place value chart as we have done in addition. Fine, and let's take one example. Okay, here it's written 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, let me introduce 3 important person of subtraction. Okay, so children, they are the number from which, okay, the number you can see here. Okay, the number from which another number is subtracted, okay, is called as minute. Okay, here is the 7, and the number which is subtracted from minute is called as subtrahend, or we can say the bigger number is minute and the smaller one is subtrahend, and the result is called as difference. The answer we get is difference. Okay, so 7 is minute and 3 is subtrahend. So let me show you one activity, or we can say example in front of you. Okay, children, so now you can see I'm having few pencils. Okay, let them count. Okay, let us count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 pencils are with me. Okay, I'm having 7 pencils. Okay, and one day my daughter came. She has taken my 3 pencils. Okay, she has taken these 3 pencils from me. Now how many pencils are left with me? Let us count again. 1 2 3 4. So children, I am having 4 pencils right now. So here, can you tell me what is the difference? Yes, 4 is the difference, or we can say 4 is the answer. And 7 was minute and 3 was subtrahend. Fine, children. So this way we can do subtraction. Let's take examples. So first one. See, children, one more important thing. Okay, the sums which I'll do right now. Okay, the questions which I'll do right now, that you have to write in your classwork. As a classwork you will do, and homework I'll upload on in the ERP. Fine, so let's start doing. Okay, we have to subtract. Let's take one example. Okay, so 85 subtract 32. Subtract them. So children, here is a 5. Okay, 5 minus 2. You can use with your pencil. You can use you can draw lines here. Okay, after that you can rub it, or you can use your finger. So 5 minus 2 is, yes, 3. 8 minus 3. Yes, children. 5. Very good. Let's take the another one. Okay. So 84 minus 28. So sorry. Okay, so children, we have to subtract this sum. Okay, so subtract this 8 minus 4. So what you have to do, say children, here is 4 and here is 8. Okay, so what will 8 number will do? It will, yes, how it will do? 8 can't be subtracted from 4, so 4 will knock the door of 8. Knock knock. Can you give me tens? Yes, it will give 10. So it will become, from 4 it will become 14, and this 8 will become 7. Okay, because 8 was in tens place, that's why he has given 10. Now children, now we can subtract easily. Okay, from 14. Okay, 14 minus 8. First. Okay, so 6 will come. So we'll write 6 here. Now you can do 7 minus 2. Yes, it's 5. This way children you can do. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, 32, and here 6. Subtract. Okay, in subtraction also we'll start from back side. Okay, from right hand side, from ones. Okay, so here, can 6 be subtracted from 2? No, so 2 will knock the door of 3. Okay children, whenever we want something, okay, we take help from our neighbor. Yes, we go to our neighbor and take help from our neighbor. So here also then the numbers will take the help of nearest neighbor. Okay, so 2 will knock the door of 3. Knock knock. Okay, can you give me tens? So it can given. Okay, so the 3 will become 2 and 3 will give tens to them. Okay, so 2 will become 12. Now we can easily subtract from 12. 6 can be subtracted, so the answer will be 6. Now 2 minus 1, 1. So 16 is the answer. We can say difference. Now let's take the last example of today. Okay, fine. So first we'll write, okay, 66, okay, minus 36. Okay children, 6 minus 6, okay, 0. Very good. And 6 minus 3, 3. So children, these are the 4 sums that we have done as a classwork. Okay, this much you will do as a classwork in your notebook. Okay.